Hello everybody. The video I'm sharing here is recorded live in my Facebook group, in my free Facebook group on 29 December. Here we did this visualization of the goals for the new year 2022. Also, we reviewed the previous year, that is 2021, and also we did a ritual, and also I pulled oracle cards, the cards for guidance of the new year 2022. All these are there in the video I have shared here, and I will be putting the timestamps in the description. If you directly want to jump to say ritual or oracle card reading, so you can jump to that. I'll be sharing the timestamp also. So please enjoy and also give me the feedback. And also, if you are interested in joining my Facebook group, which is only women free Facebook group for supporting all ladies, you can join. I'll also share the description, share the link in the description. And also, thank you for watching this video, and please share, like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and any feedback is welcome. And I love reading your feedback and comments. Thank you so much. This live, it's not that long. I'm as far as possible, I'll make it short, like keep it short. So first of all, we will review the year 2021 and say goodbye to it. I was thinking it's just now, like I did not plan. When we are reviewing, in that only I'll incorporate this Ho'oponopono meditation. It is love and kindness meditation. So this meditation is very powerful, and it's given by American, that is natives of America. So it's very powerful and traditional, and I was thinking we can go along with this meditation and meditate, and while we are meditating, we will be saying all these goodbyes to 2021. And then of course next is setting intentions and looking forward to welcoming 2022. And so later on I have this, so did you bring this, so I had told, right, tea candles, right, and this will light at the end, okay, and do a small ritual to say goodbye and to previous year, that is still we are in 2021 saying that, and moving to, that is welcoming the new year. And this ritual you can do later on also, whenever you feel like, maybe 31st New Year Eve, or on the 1st Jan excuse me, so that also you can do. After that is over, I will this is surprise. Now I decided I'll pull this card. So these are the cards I have. I have this oracle cards, energy oracle cards. So I will pull these cards for our group, so to see, to welcome new year, okay. So if someone is live at that moment, and you can ask for one card, and I will pull card for you also, individual card also, one or two people I can pull that. So this is also there. Okay, in both the clocks, in one it is 11:16, here it's 11:18, and here it's 11:14. I guess we can start. So there are just, today is what date? It is date Wednesday 29th December. Still, how many are there? Like not full 3 days, just less than 3 days. So more than 2 days we have for this remaining in the year 2021 and afterwards we will welcome 2022. So are you excited? I'm cautiously excited so to welcome this 2022. So today we will see as we move into 2022, see how our experiences, how were they, just the glimpses of experiences of previous year, and like it's going 2021, and we will say thank you and express our gratitude, and also we will set intention to move forward to 2022. So here is how we will do. We will do this meditation. We will close our eyes and look back every month, January, February. So like that, every month we'll take each month and pick some good moments, some challenging and lessons we learned, and say these phrases. These are the phrases for this Ho'oponopono meditation. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me and thank you. We'll use these 4 phrases, and each memories from each month we will say all these to them and say goodbye to each of these months. It's okay if you cannot remember everything, just one or two. Don't force it. Okay. We'll start. So we'll start with heart activation. Breathe in initially to ground ourselves. So place your hands on your heart center. Take 3 deep breaths. So if you're watching this on replay, please say in the comment, share that you are watching replay. Hashtag replay. Hashtag replay. So let me check once again whether I am audible. Last time I had done entire thing and I wasn't audible. So let me check.
I had done entire thing and I wasn't audible.
Okay. Yes, it's audible. Oh God. I had to check, Okay, let's start. Keep your hands on your heart center, at this heart. We'll breathe. We'll take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So here when we are doing this and saying goodbye and thank you, afterwards you can also write down whatever comes, the ideas and everything in your mind. Afterwards you can journal them. Now breathe in into your heart. Breathe out through your heart. It is just to focus that we are focusing on heart, which will help us to focus on our breathing. Breathe in through your heart. Breathe out through your heart. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now notice, focus on January month, the events If you can remember anything, you can now about the January 2021. Focus on that month. Don't force whatever comes to your mind now. Any one good thing or any achievement, any positive emotion you can remember from that month, any one challenge, any one thing that went your way. Any one challenge, any one lesson you learned. So if you are not comfortable, then you can keep your hands. Bring down your hands down to your wherever you are comfortable, you can keep it there. So remember these things, one good thing or one achievement, any one challenge, lesson learned. So after remembering, say, I love you because you have come this far away. I love you to that person which you are in January. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. It's not that you have done something, that's why you are saying sorry. No. Just saying sorry to your inner self, inner child, or the universe, or higher self, higher anything you believe in. It can be God or universe. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. You can close your eyes, or if you are comfortable, you can open your eyes and also focus on your breathing. Let you breathe normally. Also accept everything from this January month. Whatever happened, each had its own purpose. Now moving to February, do same thing. Remember one good thing, one challenge, one thing that went your way as you wished, and one lesson you learned. Say, I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Now moving on to March, third month of 2021. Focus on any one thing that was very good for you. Any one achievement, any one thing that went your way. Any one challenge, one lesson you learned. Accept whatever has happened in February and say, I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Now moving to April. No need to force. If you don't remember anything, then overall you just remember. All those things will be stored in your brain. And as we have done this heart activation, breathing, it has connected both mind and brain, mind and heart. So in the month of April, overall month, you can just remember, or like previous months, you can remember one each. One good thing, achievement, challenge, one lesson you learned, and accept all those things, anything, everything that has happened in April month. Say, I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. So we are in this April month. Just remember all the good things. Any one good thing, one challenge, one lesson you learned. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Accept everything about April that has happened in April month. And now we'll move to May, 5th month of 2021. That is gone by. Don't force, just whatever comes to your mind from that month, or overall just remember May month. Any one good thing or achievement, any one challenge, one lesson learned, one thing that went your way, any happy emotion, positive emotion, any person who entered your life, or something that you let go which was not serving you, anything. Say, I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Now moving on to June. Remember one thing that is a good thing for you. It can be achievement, a good emotion, positive emotion, one challenge, one lesson learned, or overall all the things, whatever happened in June month. So you can wrap that in one pack. If it is easy for you to visualize, pack it and say, I love you, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Now moving to July. Remember all the things, all that happened in July month. Any one good thing, positive emotion, positive person. One challenge, one unhelpful thing which is not serving you, and one lesson learned. Say, I love you to yourself or the universe or to the God or higher entity. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Repeat it 2 more times. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Now moving to August. Remember one good thing, one challenge, one thing you learned a lesson from. Any additions, it can be person, thing or anything. And for everything that happened in August, say, I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Now moving to September. Remember all the things, whatever you can remember. One good thing, one challenge, one lesson you learned, positive emotions, anything you achieved in September. Say, I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. It's okay if you don't remember anything, just the sense that, oh, you are in that particular month, and just feel that sense and say these phrases. So now we are in October 2021. If you can remember any one good thing, anything at all, or some things, whatever you remember, recall, as it's just 2 months back, I guess it is still fresh in your memory. One challenging thing and one thing that you learned, a lesson. Any people, person, positive emotions. Say, I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. And now moving to November. Remember anything you can remember. that happened in November. One good thing or achievement or positive thing. One challenge. One lesson you learned. One thing that went your way. Whatever you can remember from this month of November. Say, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. Now we have come to this month, present month, December. So remember these gone by 28 days. Any one good thing or any positive thing that happened, one challenge, one lesson you learned, or everything or anything you can remember. Just remember and say, I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So now as you remembered all these 11 months, 11 and a half or almost 12 months, and as we reviewed these things, be aware of all those things what happened and the things, situations, whatever happened and all the people. Sometimes we may get hurt. Anyone you might have hurt or anything that has hurt you intentionally or not. So just forgive that. In totality, we will forgive that all these 12 months, whatever happened. So tough things will happen in our lives. So we need to forgive. It is not easy to forgive, but we practice forgiveness, then it will help us. And you can forgive everything that has not gone your way or that has hurt you. So forgive these things and let it go. Let go of these things which don't serve you anymore. Forgive now and be free to fully enjoy the upcoming year. And also let go of the things which don't serve you anymore now. It can be emotions, situations, people, things, or anything. Just let go. And once again, all put together, all 12 months achievements and everything, whatever happened, whatever lessons we learned, whatever challenges also brought lessons. We'll say gratitude to that. Say thank you to everything. So maybe whenever you find time or whenever you feel like, you can list down all your achievements and things which you are grateful. You can just make a list, at least 5. If not 12, you can make 5 achievements you have these 12 months and the things you are grateful for. Any 5 things you are grateful for. So now take a few deep clearing breaths. Before moving to 2022, looking forward and setting intention to New Year 2022. Let us just clear off everything. So deep breathe Breathe in, breathe out. If there is any tension or tightness in your body, breathe into that area. Use your breath to soften your body. As you exhale, imagine you are releasing anything still remaining that no longer serves you. Whether you remember it or not, just say, whatever is not serving me, I am releasing it. When you exhale, just release. No matter what happened, another year is coming, new year, it is a great opportunity for you to create new memories, to achieve new things. You can also self-reflect. Looking forward to 2022 now, you can just ask these questions. What do I want in next year? And why do I want? Why is most important? Whatever you wanted, anything. Why? The reason, at least one big reason, one valid reason that will give you motivation to achieve that goal. So you can also ask these two questions regularly, on regular basis. When new year starts, you can make it a ritual every week or every day. So once you set, you can just review whatever the goal or goals you have set. And once you discover your goal and the purpose, you can just repeat. You can make an affirmation out of it and repeat it daily. And also, I suggest you make some time for listening to yourself. Take out some time daily, 2 to 3 minutes, and listen quietly. Sit quietly in some place where nobody disturbs you. And just listen to yourself, your inner self. And also listen to other people's kind words. Practice positivity. Read self-help books or positive articles or anything positive that adds positivity to your life and you. And surround yourself with positive energy, positive people, positive things. As far as possible, keep away from this negative, anything from media, social or newspaper, news channels, or even people. Stay away from negative energy. Cleanse, regularly cleanse. If you are not meditating, start this short meditation, love, kindness meditation or gratitude meditation. You can start meditation. You can start any physical activities, exercise or yoga. Excuse me. You can start a hobby or habit or start reading. Practice mindfulness. So all these you can write down whatever interests you. You can make a list for welcoming 2022. You can take one brand new notebook. So like this, you can just small this notebook. So like this, or buy a fancy journal also. It's now available in every online and in stores, and jotting down everything. And also whatever came into your mind now, all those ideas you can journal it. Okay, so this was for the new year intentions. You have set intentions or goals. So now is this ceremony or ritual. I said that you can of course do this later on also, whenever you find time. This takes just 2 to 3 minutes. So I had asked you to take this 2 candles. So I am not lighting this. You have to light the candle. You can do this later also in your palm. So I have kept one base because it is hot when you light. Okay, you have to have 2 candles. What we will do is, so I'll demonstrate it. You can do it now or you can do it later also. So you can keep this candle, lit candle, in a this thing. Or shall I light? I'll do that. It will be more authentic and good. So you can do it on 31st December also, or on New Year also. So light both the candles. Okay, I'm keeping it my palm. Directly you can keep, but be cautious. So light the candle and cup your this thing like this hand, and like this you keep. Be careful and close your eyes. And imagine you are putting all the things that gone by. You are releasing all the things, everything you want to let go of from the past year into this candle. Now if you don't have candle, you can just do it imagining that in your palm you have this candle, lit candle in your hand. All the things or everything that happened in last year 2021, just release them into this candle. It can be like a dark or any colors, all the colors, violet color, indigo, rainbow colors. Every color light is going into this candle light. And also you can say this again: I love you to self, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, now set aside this candle. Now take another candle. This is for New Year. Same way you keep in your palm. Close your eyes and imagine you are putting all the wonderful things, wonderful magical things you want to happen and achieve in the coming year into this candle. Also you have set this goal, right? Previously, you can imagine that you have achieved that goal. So you have achieved that goal and you visualize, you are celebrating that achievement. See what's all happening after achieving your goal for this new year. You are now imagining that you are going into future and you have achieved your goal. It can be end of 2022, that is December end 2022, and you are celebrating your goal achievement. Visualize what you see, what all you are hearing, the sounds, the feelings you are getting, the positive feelings, joyfulness, happiness, the smell, taste. Yes, success also has taste and it also smells. If you just imagine, you get some smell, taste, you can taste that in your tongue, in your mouth. If you imagine your success, your achievement, you can do that, get that smell and taste. So visualize that, and everything is now, wonderful thing is going on, happening, and is coming from this. You are all putting everything now, whatever visualized, everything, put that into this candle. Okay, now slowly put this aside. Okay, so isn't this beautiful? Yeah. So like this, you put your you released everything from past year to one candle, and put your dreams, goals, whatever you achieved, into another. So you can do this later also. Anytime you feel like, you can do that. So now I guess I'll do this oracle card for the group. I'll pull. So if you are interested individually, then please share in the comment. I'll pull a card for you also. For upcoming new year, we welcome new year. These are all positive cards, oracle cards, the energy cards. How will be our new year for us? New year 2022. Okay, for all of us, all the group members, including me and whoever is watching live and replay. What is the message for New Year 2022? So this is coming out. Let me check this. Oh God, it's door to romance. Okay. So let me pull another card. Afterwards, I'll read the message. Romance is romance with nature, romance with life. Okay, all positive. Yeah, this is coming out. Angel of balance. So we got 2 cards. Okay, both are beautiful. Let me read. First, this door to romance. Okay, so it is saying new beginnings in love. Whether you are looking for a new relationship or just more love in the relationship you are in, this door with a heart opens onto a new beginning in your experience. A new love may be arriving and you are being brought together by a strong, resonant connection. This may be a call from a past life, or it may be a new tenderness about to bloom into heartfelt affection. This relationship already exists in energetic potential, so when this card appears in your spread, make sure you are projecting the kind of self-loving energy that you want to receive from others. So it is also saying that you have to Practice this self-love. Be aware that the universe returns your self-caring treatment to you. It is ready to open that door. Are you ready? So this message is also saying that you have to start self-care if you are not yet doing. If you love yourself and care for yourself, that will be returned to you from the universe. Good, right? So next is Angel of Balance. Let me read that. Angel of Balance. Yes, here it is. Being centered and self-honoring in your choices. This loving presence holds a picture of liquid light. See, there is this pot-like thing, right, that angel is holding in front of the pyramids, reminding you that a strong destiny relies on a solid foundation of personal balance and emotional equanimity. Although things may have been out of sync in the past, this card is telling you that a greater equilibrium is now coming to your life. Remain conscious about how you are balancing your goals and your physical and emotional energy as well. Whenever you feel yourself getting off center or losing focus, call upon this beautiful angel and bring her intention into your heart center. So I'll post these pictures in the group. Whenever you feel like you are losing this balance, you just remember this angel. At the heart center, your intuition will lead you in the right direction, and the angel will guide you to a peaceful and centered approach. So you can do that, and you can use this affirmation. I live a balanced and centered life. As I care for myself, the universe cares for me also. I'll also share this affirmation in the group. So these were the two cards. So please let me know in the comments which one you resonate most, or both of them. So I resonated with this angel of balance. It is true that past year, like, I was off balance most of the times. So I was lately, like in last 2 months, I could be able to balance. So that was your oracle cards. So I am so happy that we got very good, and I could relate to that, and please let me know whether you could also.